Hello everyone. Do you have an awesome event you want everyone to know about? Have you been wondering how can you turn your Google business page into an event promoting avenue? Well, watch this video and see how you can create events in just minutes. Discover these simple solutions to creating events directly on your Google business page with this step-by-step guide. Stick with me. All right, so the first thing you want to do is locate your Google business profile. And a very simple way to do that is just to go search for it and click the link that takes you there. Now, once you click that, you want to go to Manage Now so you can go to create your event. Once you click Manage Now, this is what you should be able to see here, this dashboard. You should be able to see your dashboard provided you are managing the account. You have to be a manager on the account or have access to the account. And what you want to then do is look for Add an Update. Add Update right here, because the event that you want to add will be an update. Great. Now go to Add Event. As you can see here, it's the third option currently. It lets customers know about events you are hosting. And so we're going to click that over there. And this is where all the magic and all the fun happens. So in this instance, you can select a photo for your event, which I highly encourage that you do to give it some spice. So in this instance, let's just say it's a Google Business Profile tutorial. Event title, Google Business Profile Tutorial Event. You put your event title in there. You put your start date. Let's say it's the 16th. And start time if it's optional. And in this instance, we will put 10 a.m. End date, which would be, again, 16th. And then end time, which is also optional, we will make 12 p.m. here. Now you could get your event details and then type it in here. We will be hosting a tutorial. Join us. That's just, something just to put there. Now, also, the great part is you have your buttons, which are also optional, but I highly encourage that you use them because it spurs action. So you could do none. You could say book, which in most instances, it's an event. So you would want them to book it, and then you could put the link for your event here. In this instance, you could put Eventbrite's link in here so that people can actually go and pay for it through there. So that's book. Order online. If you want them to order tickets again, you could put your link button in there and they will be able to do that. Buy, if you want them to buy the ticket or learn more about the event or sign up. These are all calls to action, which is really, really cool. Okay. And so once you put your link in there, you are good to go. But in this instance, we are not putting a link because we are just showing you guys how this will look, or how to be able to post your event is what I should say. The good thing is you can then preview your event, which is what we'll do over here. And it shows everything that you need to see or everything that you have put up there. So Google Business Profile Tutorial, your date, your time, and the details. And once you click post, your event goes out there. So I'm just going to click post. Of course, I am going to delete it. And this is what you need to know. This post is pending and should be published soon. So what, of course, they are reviewing to make sure it matches or meets, what do I like to say it, meets the threshold for what should be out there. So that's how you could do it. And people then can get the opportunity to see your event. Once it's pending, others can't see it. Only you could see it. But we aren't hosting this event. So what are we going to do? We are going to delete it. So if you do have an update there as well, and you want to be able to delete it, you can. If you want to be able to edit it, where it'll take you back to the post to make your edits, you can do that, as you can see. And we will go back here. And if we just simply want to delete it, which is what we want to do over here, deleting this update will remove it permanently. So just so you know, once you delete it, it will be gone. There is no retrieving it at all. So I'm going to delete yes. And that's gone. And it's left with all the other updates that we have put there in the past. But that's how, if you do want to create an event for your Google business page or on your Google business page, that's how you could do it, by simply going to add update, adding an event, adding in all the details, and posting it. Hopefully this was helpful. If it is, like and subscribe to the video. We have tons of other Google business profile tutorials that we'll add at the end of this video that you could go check out on our page. Again, like the video if this was helpful, and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Take care.